Record button. Dimmed. Button.
This is going to, hello YouTubers, this is going to be a cold start of our 7.75 pressure washer. First step, turn the fuel on. Fuel petcock valve is on. Now I'm just going to get, is it okay if I do a few slow pulls?
Go around the other side.
I don't want to be right in the exhaust when it smokes. Ready?
Don't fall in the pool.
I'm going to be on the back of the pressure washer. 3. Ooh. Are you recording?
Yes.
I lost the cord. Did it almost fire?
Not really. Okay, give up.
I'm gonna keep trying. It's worth a shot.
Alright, well you did it.